Hey there. Do you have trouble finding athletic clothing? I do. It's usually too big or too small somewhere, or the color just isn't right. Oh, and don't even get me started on moisture wicking clothes. Needless to say, I don't have many clothes in my athletic drawers because it's really hard for me to find something that works. Well, I'm pretty excited today because I was recently contacted by a new company, Hybrid Gear, which asked me to review one of their shirts. Hi, it's Luci Gabel, your healthy lifestyle transformation coach. And today I'm going to take you on my journey exploring how this shirt works and whether or not it's something that I want to get more of.
Hybrid Gear's tagline is "Adapt to Life." They say their shirts are adaptable to any kind of situation. I ordered a long sleeve with a hood because when I run in the morning or the evenings, the temperature changes quite drastically in California. And I also want something that can protect me from the sun in case I'm not wearing sunscreen. I love the holes in the sleeves for thumbs, yay. I'm pretty sure I ordered a small, but this is a medium. It's okay, we'll give it a try anyway. This is very light and very soft. I like it. I ran for about an hour. In the chillier weather, it kept me just right. And when it got warmer, all I had to do was roll up the sleeves. So it was a good workout. I definitely sweat, but the shirt didn't get wet. And the best thing was, even though it was moisture wicking,
It didn't smell. And I really appreciated that. These guys say you can wear their shirts out and about like any other shirt. So I decided to put that to the test. I mean, people like you and I, we're very busy. Sometimes it helps if you can throw on a shirt and wear it for a few hours before you go to the gym so that you don't have to change at that time. I'll have to say, usually after about 2 hours of sitting around in a moisture wicking athletic shirt, I feel like I need to throw it in the laundry. I'm not sure exactly what happens with those shirts. I think that they just absorb all of the moisture that your body puts out, and then the shirt holds onto it. And that isn't too nice after a couple of hours. One afternoon, I put on the shirt and went out for lunch and then for coffee. I did some errands and then I came home and worked into the night. After I took the shirt off that evening, it was in fine condition. In fact, I could have worn it another day. This shirt was great, so I have to say a big thumbs up to Hybrid Gear. I'm gonna get myself a couple more of these shirts, and if you wanna grab a couple for yourself, I've got a buy one, get one for 50% off link down below. Head on over there as soon as you can because I'm not sure how long the sale is going to last. And in the meantime, click like if you like this video, subscribe if you want more videos from me, and if you want to be in more regular contact with me, subscribe to my blog or any of the social media links down below.